Welcome to Be Yoga, Be Your Own Guide. This is day one of the evening 30-day meditation series. If you want to know how to best use the 30-day meditation series, or if you have questions about the purpose of the series, there's a video link somewhere on top and also in the description below about it. And if you have any questions around meditation, the how-tos of how to sit, how long to sit, where to sit, eyes closed, eyes open, etc. There's a playlist again, the link somewhere on top and in the description below. So let's start with our first day of evening meditations, evening, night meditations. The idea of these evening practices is to just allow yourself to unwind and get in connection with your own self so that your practice of being your own guide continues to get honed. Come to your seat, wherever your seat is. And after a whole day, maybe you just want to flex the body a little and very, very intuitively. I usually like to keep my eyes closed and then I'll go with the way my body wants. Usually, I do a lot of desk, table, laptop work, and so there's going to be a lot of my shoulder and my upper back wanting to move and stretch out and I keep my eyes closed with this so that I am still connected to the movements that I'm making. And then maybe also very gently, softly, the neck up and down, this side and that side, right, left, up, down. Again, all of these movements, very, very as aware as you can be of your body as it makes these movements. A little bit of maybe stretching out of the arms, gently bringing them back, and then slowly bringing yourself to a soft pause. Hmm. Hmm. I don't know if you can hear my sighs in the video, but if you can, I encourage the sighs. With the exhales, those sounds, they're a release, an emotional, physiological release for the body. So let that happen. Hmm. And then as the physical body pauses for a few moments, try and bring all of your awareness at the center of your being without thinking too much of what that center means, where it is, physical being, non physical being. Let it all go. Just let all of your awareness and focus come to the space that's your center, wherever you reach with that instruction. Now, as you allow your awareness to center around your center, and just a soft check with how your shoulders are. Ideally, you want them to be open, loose, back supple and straight, belly soft like a baby's. The breath coming in freely, belly expanding as the breath comes in, and then softly falling back as the breath leaves. And then awareness and focus back to the center. And as you're bringing your awareness to your center, if you can allow yourself to just notice what happens, allow whatever thoughts come up, let them come up. Any images that pop up, let them pop up. Any emotional pulls that happen, let them happen. And if for a moment you can just sit with them, watch them. Be aware of your face, your facial gestures. Many times we get too serious. So let the facial muscles relax. And again, just observing, sitting with what pops up as your awareness is at the center of your being. The idea is not to analyze or figure out or find. Just wait and watch what's there or not there. Just be. Notice if you're getting pulled into a thought or a memory from the day or past few days. Take a deep breath. Whew. And with the breath out, let it go. Don't get pulled. Stay where you are at the center. Similarly, if you're feeling pushed away, repulsed, not wanting to see, remember, again, come back to the center. It's okay. Notice how the silence is. Now bring your awareness to the contact between your seat and the seat below. So your sitting bones, the butts, the butt cheeks, the thighs, the legs touching, wherever you're sitting on. And the contact between the seat, your seat, and the seat you're on. And just notice your own weight through that. And maybe also expand your seat a little bit right and left shifting, just expanding that seat so you feel more comfortable in it. Hmm. Allowing the next breath to gently, soothingly expand into the belly, into the depth of the belly, as deep as is comfortably possible. Keep expanding. And then a very gentle and slow release from the nose. And if it's not too much in this moment, if you can allow your face, your lips to turn into a gentle, soft smile. The smile is not to fake anything. This is a signal to your own body, to your nervous system that, hey, it's okay. We're okay. We can relax. We can let it go. And notice when you're able to allow yourself, allow that smile to come up, automatically some tangible, intangible, happy thoughts, memories, vague or maybe clear, will just sort of come up in the mind. And see if there's anything that you can think of in the day that you can turn to and say, thank you. I'm grateful for you. Person, place, moment, thing, anything. Mm. Thank you. I'm grateful for the day. Thank you. I'm grateful for the sun. Thank you. I'm grateful for the sunset. Thank you. I'm grateful for this moment. Anything, whatever comes up for you and feels you in this moment. And with that, we'll close this evening's practice and gently your palms facing down towards the knees, gently holding your knees with your palms so that you can support your lower back to arch out, chin towards the chest. Again, a little bit of movement if you feel like, if the body feels like. And as and when you feel comfortable, gently opening your eyes, looking at your own body, gently caressing the thighs, legs, your hands, your arms. And as you do that, maybe give a gentle gratitude, thank you to this body for it, for all that it did for you today, without you having to say anything per se. All that it does selflessly, every single moment. Thank you. And maybe a soft prayer. If you so feel like placing a hand on the chest, another on the belly. Thank you. May you continue to heal yourself. May you continue to grow and blossom. Thank you. May I have a good rest tonight when I go to bed. May the body be able to relax and ease and heal itself to its best. May my mind be able to ease and rest and heal itself to its best. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one.